Today I will show you how to create your first program in SAP ABAP. So first of all, go to the T code SE38, /n SE38. Now give a name. That name must start from Z or Y. So these are customer namespaces that we can use. We cannot put AAS anything. If we put AAS and click on create, it will ask for access key. So we are not allowed for that. So we'll put our name as jet test program. Now click on create. Now give a meaningful title. So first ABAP program. Now select the type as executable program. Since it will be executable, it will be executing directly. Now leave for the time being, leave everything as it is and just click on save. Now it will prompt you for a package. If you are following from my previous tutorials, where I taught you how to create a package. So for the timing, just assume that this is the package we have created and click on save. Now similarly, click on yes for the transport request. Now this screen will come. It is saying report name. So that is what we have created, this report name. Now what I will do, I will simply write something that will print while we execute the program. So in order to print something in ABAP, the statement is write statement is there. After that, put colon and give something as hello world. Now once you have done this, before writing this, after writing this, what we need to do, we need to do the syntax check. So it will check that it is correct or not. Now click on this icon to check the syntax or press Ctrl F2. Now you can see at the bottom, this bottom is known as the status bar. It is saying program jettest underscore program is syntactically correct. That means our program is correct. So far so good. Now once the syntax is correct, we'll do activate. We have to activate this or press Ctrl F3. Now this is our program. Select the program and click on this tick mark. Now it is activated. So activation basically means this part can be used by the other part of the SAP in the same system. So if it is activated, then the other part can use this. Now this is activated. Now we want to run this. So how to run this? If you click on this icon, direct processing, or press effect, it will execute the program. Now we can see hello world. First ABAP program is our title. This is also our title, and hello world what we printed. Now we'll write again one more thing. So I want to put write again, write colon, welcome to your first program. Activate this. Execute this. Now it will print hello world, welcome to your first program. So now that is okay, but I don't want this in the same line. I want this in a different line. So how to do this? So simply put line break. So this is nothing but a line break. So what it will do, first it will execute this statement, this command, and it will put the line break, and this will be printed in the next line. Now do the syntax check. Everything is fine. Activate this, execute this. Now it will print in the next line. Now what I don't want to write every time these things. Write. So what I will do, I will delete this write, and instead of period I will put comma. So period is nothing but it marks the end of line in ABAP. So whenever you will see period, that means it full stop. It marks the end of the ABAP program. Now do the syntax check. Everything is fine. Activate this. Execute this. Now, hello world, welcome to your first program. Now, how to declare a variable in ABAP? Now we'll put data. We'll declare simple variable L, or instead of writing L, we put X. We'll put type to denote the type and put I. This is very simple. So X is a variable of integer type. Now I want to display this X value. So simply assign some value to the X variable. I will put X equal to 100 and simply write X. Now do the syntax check. Everything is fine. Activate this. Execute this. Now we can say 100 is our output. Now I will declare one more variable X and Y. Type I and assign Y equal to 200 and do the sum. Okay, so I will sum this. Before that I will put another variable Z. Type I and Z equal to X plus Y. Now activate this. Execute this. Now it will print 100 plus 200 equal to 300. Now in ABAP